welcome back. Welcome back to Carnivore Found Me, your dirty carnivore channel. So I know we've already talked about the food pyramid, but I've been seeing a lot of videos on Instagram, TikTok on the food pyramid. And so it's just something that I'd like to question again. But let's have some food for thought. So what if health food trends are created and disseminated based on the current economic status of the world? Think about that for a minute. What about the food pyramid? The food pyramid was created around the time when we had an agricultural surplus, most especially grains, and grains were the largest part on our food pyramid. And then later, we found out that grains affected us. Let's see. Later, we found out that grains caused chronic inflammation, gluten disorders, weight gain and obesity, and dietary imbalances, as well as diabetes. Interesting, huh? Isn't it also interesting that fruit and vegetables were also a large part of the food pyramid, and during that same time, we had an epidemic of diabetes, pre-diabetes and diabetes? And now, think about the new trend that we have, the carnivore trend, which is a part of what I'm doing. Does it seem strange that now during this trend, we also have fake meat? These are all foods for thought and things you might need to take a look at. So let's watch this little short clip from TikTok. So let's give credit to, let's see, Katie. It looks like Katie Bergen 1 from TikTok. So let's have a listen at this.
That the food pyramid was a scam.
Yeah.
That was just the degree to which that's a scam is, I don't know. Is there a worse medical crime in history than that?
No, I mean, telling Americans to load up on 7 to 11 servings of grains every single day.
Yeah.
Like,
And to find out that that was a marketing ploy by the Department of Agriculture and that they went against the advice even of their own consultants who warned them that they would produce an epidemic of obesity and diabetes, which is, well, and not to say nothing of depression and dementia, which is exactly what we have now.
Exactly.
It's like, I don't know what you even do when you find out that that's true.
Yeah, and the unwarranted demonization of natural fat-containing foods, nutrient-dense foods like animal-source foods, which continue to be demonized.
Even by the American Diabetic, is it Association Society? I don't remember which one is still pushing the notion that, diabetics can eat carbohydrates. Like, actually, I don't think so. I don't think that's a very good idea since they're converted to sugar.
Wow. So, isn't that interesting to know? Because so many of us suffer from things like anxiety and depression, well, which I used to suffer for. And just think about it. It's all in your food. So, you guys, I think it's very important that we start paying attention to our own bodies and doing what is best for us. I don't think there's no one shoe fits all. Just think about it. If everybody woke up tomorrow and said, let's all be vegans, what would be the repercussions? Or if everybody woke up tomorrow and said, let's all be carnivores, what would be the repercussions? It just doesn't make any sense, does it? So start tracking your ailments, your body, what foods make you feel like, and paying attention to what happens to you and how you feel when you eat certain foods. So you guys put in the comments what you think about this video on the food pyramid. And also, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.